Hey guys, let's get started in session 6. So the topic of session 6 is career preparation, and we are going to do some thinking about different types of careers, and we're going to do a little research on those as well. To get you started in session 6, we are going to complete a journal entitled High School versus College. And inside of this journal, you will see that there are some resources here that kind of highlight the differences between high school and college. So by now, you're probably seeing high school and college are very different. We have very different rules, and your college instructors have much higher expectations for college level work than you were probably thinking was going to happen. And so let's take some time to really look at the differences between what it means to be a high school student and what it means to be a college student. Keep in mind that you're going to format this like you've been formatting your other journals, and you're going to highlight, copy and paste, typing in a different colored font to make sure that you give enough effort there to warrant your full 10 points. Once you do the journal, you're going to move into the career research assignment. The career research assignment is an assignment you'll make a copy of, and then you will see there's some written directions here up at the top, and then the actual template starts down here at the bottom. Now, when you get ready to begin this assignment, you are going to have to do some what we call career inventories, and those can be found in these links A through E. Sometimes it's a little difficult to figure out where exactly to click to find these career inventories or these career assessments, and so there's a link here that says additional help, and I have created a step-by-step direction guide for you that shows you exactly where to go. You will have to put in your information and create little accounts for some of these career assessments, but that additional help document will help you figure out where to click for those, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 different career assessments from those resources. When you complete them, you're going to take a little screenshot and pop that in right here. And then you're going to do some reflection questions on what you learned about yourself. In the college and career exploration section, you are going to list 5 careers that might be of interest to you based upon the results that you figured out. And then you're going to think about some schooling options for those particular careers. Now, let me be helpful here and tell you that in the colleges section, you're not just going to list college, university, community college. You're actually going to list the name of those places. So if you are going to go to school for a specific degree, research the specific colleges that have that degree, okay? Then you're going to narrow it down to 3 careers that you are going to take a little bit of an in-depth look into. You're going to list the first one here, the second one here, the third one here, and then you're going to kind of work down in the column. And so you're going to find the information about those careers and put them in the applicable box that matches up. Once you get finished with that, you're going to do a reflection, and you're really going to try to focus on what it is that you learned about those careers and how they are applying to you. I understand that you are in high school and you may not know exactly what you want to do, and that is totally fine. But having some experience doing some research on different types of careers is really what would be important for you here, because you would be able to go backwards in the future once you do have an idea about what you're interested in and kind of figure out what's best for you. So this career research assignment is worth 100 points, and it falls under the major assessments category. And so essentially, this assignment is worth 10% of your final grade. And so it is going to take more than a couple of words thrown in each little section to earn full credit. So I do want you to try to get started early and really put some effort and some energy into making this a high quality assignment. The last thing that you will do in session 6 is you will watch my directions video that gets you started for the advisor meeting assignment. And one thing that I want to ask you to keep in mind is the advisor meeting assignment is also a huge impact on your grade in ACA, and it does take a little bit of effort. You're actually going to have to meet with your career coach. That would be the person that works for Nash Community College that actually registers you for your next classes. And so you will need to set aside some time with your career coach to get that assignment completed. And so just keep in mind that there is a video there that explains that assignment, but you do need to carve out some time in the coming weeks to get that done. If you have any questions, please send me an email and I will be happy to answer them for you.